Turbo Turnip Time. The Black Tiger Miner live cast is starting now. It's Turbo Turnip Time. The Black Tiger Miner live cast is starting now. It's Turbo Turnip Time. The Black Tiger Miner live cast is starting now.
Hello, YouTube and X. It's your main man BTM here, bringing you back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel and the Turbo Turn Up Time. Let's go. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors, and Turbo Turn Up. Let's go. So this is the Thursday, which is Friday Eve. So welcome back to the Black Tiger Miner channel. And there is an article I'm going to show you in a minute. Turbo's starting to get press. They're getting out here. They're getting recognition. I told you guys. Screaming Toad, what's up, man? I'm going to get to that in a second. But people are talking about Turbo. I told you guys. Just be patient and diamond hand, guys. Just continue to hold, right? The word would get out and people would start talking about it. Just hold, right? Just continue to hang in there. But I guess I'll go ahead and show you guys. I was trying to wait for some more people to show up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your main man up with a super chat. But I guess we'll go ahead and get to it. I guess we can show people later. I'm going to post it to my page. Don't forget to sign up for the Black Tiger Miner Twitter page. And remember, Turbo. And Turbo is starting to push up a little bit. Actually, it was up. Actually, it's up 11. Okay. 11.3% in the last 24 hours, down 3.6 in the last hour. It was at 400 million market cap. Now it is down to 374, right? Look at Etherscan. Etherscan has us at 52,205 holders. Nice banner. Thanks, Screaming Toad. You had to update that, but appreciate that. Thanks for your support. Thanks for like, sharing, subscribing, and super chat, and continuing to push the word out about the Turbo Toad token. So I was on MSN, right? MSN.com. The top three, the three top new meme coins to buy this week, featuring a new high reward pre-sale. Yada yada. Cryptocurrency market has always been a wild ride, but there is one investor you can count on. What started with Dogecoin as a joke turned into a full-fledged industry. New meme coins storming the scene every day. The internet culture, viral tweets, and meme coins capture the imagination of traders for the next 100x. But lately, something interesting has been happening. Meme coins aren't just hype anymore. They're evolving into high utility assets, real world applications, and play to earn P2E. Gaming, staking rewards in vibrant community ecosystems. In recent months, Dog with a Hat, Pepe Coin, and Bonk have drawn major attention, but the space gets competitive. Only a handful of memes have potential to explode in value. That's why smart investors are scanning the market. Early stage opportunities where potential lies, right? That's what I've been telling you guys, what we've been talking about over the last year, right? Back and forth, we've been saying new coins are coming and people are going to start seeing, right? They're going to get attracted to these new coins. They're going to see these price actions like Turbo up 11%, Farcoin, Giga Chad, SPX, And as they come, they're going to see other meme coins. So this article is by somebody named Becky, right? So the first one is BTFD, which I don't even know. We're not even going to look at that. Yada, yada, yada. BTF sounds cool, whatever. Next one is Bonk, which I'm actually mining. I started mining it with some Kaspa miners. And since it is cheaper than Kaspa, it might be pretty profitable to mine, right? Bonk, the Solana meme coin that keeps surprising everyone. Bonk made history as the first major meme coin built on the Solana blockchain. When it launched, Bonk handed out an airdrop of early Solana users, instantly generating viral buzz. Since then, it's proven just more than a meme. Bonk has shown resilience and staying power in the crowded market. Drum roll, please. Bonk is special. What makes Bonk special? So number 3, what shocked us, the life out of me. I was reading it. I was like, who cares about Bonk? And I happened to see a T. And I was like, that's weird, right? So I saw Turbo. I was like, can't be. Then I was like, wait a minute. Where's this article, right? And this article was on MSNBC. So get ready for some interest, right? Some more people coming over. I think this is why our holder count is up 0.1, right? So we're up to 2,000 or 52,205. So there is definitely interest, right? So if we look here under Bonk, it is our favorite, our main man, our top toad, the Turbo Toad token, that little yellow guy that's keeping us in the meme coin market, the one and only AI generated, AI powered created. Turbo is the first meme coin built using AI, which we've been talking about, right? Right. We know, not too many people know, as the AI generated meme coin, the first, right? As this narrative starts going across the cryptocurrency community and across all crypto, it's going to keep popping up. Community led direction. The project roadmap is shaped by its active holders. That's me, you, and your mama too. Viral media growth. Turbo has become a trending topic on crypto Twitter and Reddit. We need to get the Reddit support, right? We need to circle the wagons and get the Reddit guys pumping as well. We already run X Twitter, whatever you want to call it, right? But we need to make sure the Reddit folks are on board as well. Turbo is one of the top new meme coins to buy this week. Due to the experimental nature and the viral appeal, it has AI driven concepts set it apart from the pack, making it a high risk but potentially high reward investment. Let me read that again for the people in the back. Its AI driven concept sets it apart from the pack, right? It's not just another cute toad, right? It sets apart from the pack. So continue to hold, get the word out, right? Get the word in the street. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and make this video go viral, guys. We got to get everyone out, everyone talking about it, everyone reading and pushing these articles. And the weird thing is, don't even have a picture of Turbo on here. I was like, how y'all gonna talk about Turbo? You don't even got a picture of Turbo. You got Bonk, you got Dog with a Hat, which is the wrong color. You got Pepe, you got Popcat, you got Floki. That's why I put that Floki with the saying Turbo's the king. I don't even know what this is, and I don't even know what this is. Maybe this is she. I don't even know what the cow thing is, right? I don't even know. Let me know in the comments. Do you guys even know, understand, or even follow what the freak this is supposed to be? And we might reach out to Becky. Don't be putting no articles up. You don't even put the freaking toad up here. Maybe that's the BTFD thing. But you could at least put the freaking toad up here. You're killing us. But it is good. The recognition is here for Turbo. Let me see. Where were we? The Reddit. What did this coin make it to the list? Why did this coin make it to? If I could see, boy, I could be dangerous. Turbo's AI-driven origin, strong meme community, that might be us. And rapidly growing investor interest make it an exciting short-term play for traders looking for explosive gains, right? Okay, I tried to post a link that it allowed based on your research and market trends, bonk, BTFD, bonk, and Turbo are the three of the top new meme coins to buy this week. While the project has its own value, BTF stands whatever BTF. So big shout out to BTF and this article. And I'm trying to figure out how to post it because I keep trying to copy and paste it, but it's not. Let me see. Is there a paste link on here? Because when I tried to paste it earlier, it only pasted the words up here. It didn't paste that dang article. Maybe it's a paste link option. You see, it just paste the words. I don't know how to get the link on here. So I want to paste the article, but it doesn't just give me the article. We can try to cut it. I don't know. That's great. No, but I think it's because the article is somewhere else. It's not actually on MSN. So we got to find the actual article, maybe. Publisher site. Let's see if this is it. Of course, it wouldn't be that easy. Yeah, but whenever I find a site, I figure out a way. I'm tripping. There we go. Maybe this is it. There we go. Okay, cool. So see if you guys can like, share, and subscribe. Let me see here. Let's see if that post. Oh man, I hate when it does that. But the link is there. Yeah, Eureka. Okay, there you go. I wish it would actually post the actual site and not just a link. But definitely get that link out and get the word out, guys. So let's go to the bubbles. So this is bubbles, and there's a lot of green today. I'm not sure with the FOMC meeting and these guys not raising the interest rate. I didn't think things would go like this. I thought it would be down, but apparently the market is up. So if you like it, I love it. Algo's up 7.4, Arcam's up 8.5. Moodang's up 6.6, Arrow is up 14.1. Mr. Miggles is up 22. I was wrong about Mr. Miggles. Mog's up 6.1. Turbo, the Turbo Toad token, that guy we all know and love, our favorite toad, is up 10.9. Bonk is up 4.8. Pepe is up 6.8. Uniswap's up 4.8. This Arcapay, I might check this out. I've been looking at this for a couple of days. I should have got it when I was back here, but it is up 26.7. GigaChat is up 19%. Sui is up 12.1. Fartcoin is up 33.2. Snake is up 7.5. Osmosis is up 5.4, Bitcoin 2.9, Bonk 4.8. SPX is up 27.5. Let's see. Toshi is up 11.4. Floke is up 4.9. Let me see here. Kaspa's up 11%. Swarms is down 4.3. ICP is up 8. XLM is up 12.5. Peanuts up 2%. Render's up 10. Ethereum is up 5.5. Dodge is up 3.6. ADA is up 5.7. Fetch is up 8.3. Gala is up 12.6. What is this? What is HTX? HTX is up 5.4. And let's look at the coin ranking real quick. And then we'll look at the trader view. So coin ranking, go to meme coins. Bonk is number 5, up 4%. Pepe is number 3. Baby Dodge sliding down to number 6. XPX is climbing. Should have got into that when it was down in the 20s. Flucky's number 8. Fartcoin is top 10 again. Pudgy Penguin sliding down. Brett is number 12. AI 16 is back under $1. I'm definitely jumping on that. Number 13, GigaChad 14. Toshi is pushing up. Number 15, Milecoin number 16. AI 16. AIXBT is number 17. I might need to look into that as well. Make some notes here. What is that? AIX. I keep writing this down and never look at it. XB. And what was that? Not Toshi. XPX. Yeah. And it was one more. And then Turbo is 21. Then get flipped back over Popcat and Melania. I told you guys we was going to take Melania. So we're back over Melania and Peanut. So it's got to push over. We get to 400 million. We'll be back under, what is this? Snake maybe. 500 million. We'll get back to Mog. And with this article, and we get the word out, we might be able to squeeze back to that 500 million market cap. But let's check the trader view real quick, and then we'll go back to Twitter. Let's see what's going on the trading view. Let's see here. So trading view, 1 hour chart, it's slightly down. Had a MACD cross, and we are adding volume. We'll go to the 15-minute chart you guys know and love. We're back on that resistance at 005. But we're up from the 0051 at the 0056. See if we can come back. What was this? The 006. Maybe we can push back up to that 006. That'd be the high of that 10 or 013. So maybe we can push back up to this 006, which I need to pull out, see how far we are from that. and zoom in. Looks like we almost hit it. Had some volume building today, actually. MACD cross, and I don't have the RSI on here for some reason. Can we add the RSI indicator? Why can't, it's not two on here. It's not two indicators? That's weird. That's weird. Look at the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart says we're losing volume. Go back to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart shows volumes increasing. Hold on a little bit. 0.6. Looks like there is some volume coming. Got a green candle on the 4-hour. So there's definitely interest coming back in. But let me know what you guys think about that. You think we're going to push up tomorrow and continue to push up over the weekend? Think we're going to hit back to this? What is this? 500 million market cap. Last time I told you we was going to go up, we ended up hitting that 600 million market cap. I don't think we're going to do that over the weekend, but you never know. Let's see here. Crypto chain Turbo's update. Turbo is one of the few meme coins listed on Coinbase. Highest buy sell ratio today. More people are buying than selling. Numbers will go up. Data doesn't lie. We're primed up the engine for the next push up. That's what I think too as well. Highest buyer seller ratio. And where is Turbo? So Turbo is here at 81.7% buy. And where did he find this? What is this? On Coinbase. Might check out Coinbase. Shout out to the Roaring Toady. Turbo, to my wife, everyone advised me to buy the dip. So I got ranch, salsa, and guacamole. That's pretty funny. We've grown so much since innovation is our new thing. I decided to do something new. Every week, I will invite Turbo community members, small or big players, to reply to the chat about their progresses and plans for pushing Turbo ahead on a post looking like this. Interesting. Turbo will melt faces, melt minds. This bull cycle. Epic gains, unstoppable momentum. Don't blink, you'll miss it. That's actually pretty cool. I like the psychedelic colors you guys are making. Crypto PBS day 107. Revat app add Turbo. Happy Thursday. Bullish on Turbo. Buy now or cry later. I like that one as well. Let me see. Like this guy. Thought I liked these already. Crypto. Fantastic. Let's go to the moon. Turbo. Ramon, the pumps on Turbo chart looks very similar to me. The next parabolic pump should be around the corner. Not financial advice. Where do you see Turbo going on the next pump? Hopefully we'll push back up to that 006. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Somebody, everybody, anybody, let me know what you think in the comments there. I showed you the bottom. If you want to make money, I hope you listen. I definitely bought at the bottom, and I'm glad I did. I got some at the 4s, which brought my averages down, and now we're going up to the 5s, and pretty soon we'll be in the 6s. So I hope you guys picked up something while it was down. That was the floor that we'll never see again. Still not too late Dips are for holders, not financial advice. Do your own research. This is Rec Mankind. If you haven't noticed, Rec has been posting a little more lately. So keep an eye out for that as well. I was checking something else. Turbo is an International Day of Nonviolence. Today is an International Day of Nonviolence. Is a reminder that change can come through utilities and ideas, not just force. Turbos are created with the power of the people, united in peaceful, community-driven innovation. Shout out to the Turbo Toad community. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors, and Turbo Turn Up. Let's go. Good morning, Turbo Toads. Wishing you an absolute fantastic, energetic start to the day. Stay awesome and keep the good vibes rolling. Keep the good vibes rolling. I think that was it for today. So let's check out this video from, let me see. Earlier, there wasn't many videos, which was surprising. I don't know what's going on with the content. The content usually picks up when we're up. So I was shocked that nobody made any videos today. That's weird. No videos. But yeah, this is let's see, who is this? Trading Sniper. Let's see what he has to say real quick. Just checking something out. Yeah, not many videos today. Interesting. But let's see what Trading Sniper has to say. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and hit your main man up with a super chat.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Listen, your boy still sick. So, like I said, if I do sound a little off or lower energy or whatever it is, excuse me. You know what I'm saying? Fighting this damn flu. But listen, ladies and gentlemen, right? Good news did come out earlier today with the rate cuts. They stayed the same, right? We said if they get cut or stay the same, then things are overall bullish. We can see that pretty much when that happened, right? We had a little bit of sell the news event, but then we quickly recovered. And, we have been slowly creeping up. We will talk about the new news that has come out with Turbo, and we will dabble into something that is generally really, really fantastic for crypto, and that includes Turbo itself, right? So before we do that, let's just jump right into the charts. Right now, you can see that we have created official support, right? We have created official support. And right now, you can see we are in a consolidation zone. Consolidation zone is pretty much when something goes sideways. So we can see that that is happening at the moment, and we can see we had something similar, previously where something goes sideways, kind of sideways, and it keeps going lower. For me, the context is different now because we have touched a low, right? We have touched this low over here, and for me, we have been going sideways longer than the previous times. Not only that, but the news was bullish. Now, what I want to happen with Turbo is for us to break above, this area over here, roughly of 0.0055, right? If that does happen, then most likely we'll bounce off this area over here of 0.0097, right? 597, excuse me, and we'll probably go back down to retest once again this zone. What I would like to see is for us to continue pushing up, right? Creating a higher high. Because at the current moment, Turbo has been selling off extremely, extremely, at a rapid pace, right? We're not getting any decent pullbacks. So right now, if we got something like this, it would be very, very ideal. On the bigger picture, ladies and gentlemen, right? We still have not gone, of course, above these highs, which are going to be the most relevant. For me to truly say we are bullish once again would have to be something like this, right? Where we get above a high and then we do something like this, right? Where we create a lower high. that is when I can confirm to you that we are officially back on being bullish. Right now, these are the early stages, right? The early stages. But, the beautiful thing about crypto, right, is you don't need so much confirmation in order to buy, right? If you believe that, this zone or roughly where we're at right now is a great buying opportunity, which it is for Turbo, right? Then, you don't have to wait for a lot of confirmation because the more confirmation you need, right, the more you will, the more premium price you're going to pay. That is just how it is. But pretty much what I want to see is something like this, right? Overall, something like this, a staircase up, right? It might not exactly be literally like this, of course, but I'm just giving you a general picture, right? That is what I want to start seeing. And that is when we will officially start being bullish, right? So before we continue the charts, let's just jump right into the Turbo news, right? So we can see obviously Turbo has been tweeting, which is fantastic, but something that has pretty much been coming out is that there is a prototype for the Turbo Toad plushie, right? So, it looks a little cute, right? It looks a little cute, right? Some people, actually, in fact, a lot of people are, really, really excited about this. You know, this is something that is a W, right? Obviously, it's not like Robinhood or some big exchange like Coinbase, but, they're doing everything they possibly can, right? So, prototypes for the plushies have arrived. And this is why I love Turbo, right? They're doing absolutely everything from every single angle. As you know, they're in multiple games now. They're dabbling to the metaverse. They're teaming up with Near Protocol and Chainlink, and they're doing all this and that, this exchange, that exchange. And I love Turbo. I really, really do. Still think it's going to be one of the top meme coins. Probably not top five anymore because of the Trump coin and Milena is here now. So, you know, it is what it is. But I guess, that seventh, eighth spot is still going to be very, very solid. uh, and it's under a different context. It's not like they just fell out of place because of whatever reason, right? They are still looking fantastic. I know people are worried about the price, but like I said, right? If we go to something like Render has also dipped a lot. Caspa, um, it dipped a decent amount, but it's been holding, right? Something like Ondo is actually the opposite, right? It's been holding very, very well. We don't remember meme coins in general, they're going to pump harder and they're going to fall harder, right? So that is just the reality of meme coins, right? We go to something like Bitcoin dominance. We can see that we are pretty much approaching not all time highs, but the last relevant highs that we had in December of 2024 on the 20th. So if there was a pullback, I would not be surprised, right? We could see a 1 to 1.5 or 1 to 2% drop in the dominance, which means all coins would pump. But it doesn't mean, that this is it, right? This is altcoin season is happening. I still believe personally that we still have a long way to go, roughly to 69%. And I'm not saying that just because it's a great number, if you know what I mean, but because this is an institutional candle over here. And, when I was looking at it, I remember I was like, yeah, this looks like a perfect zone where they're going to start, selling off, right? And well, obviously, we're going to keep eyes and track on this. But this is very important, right? Because as long as Bitcoin dominance is still in structure, still keeps going up, we're not going to have big, big, massive gains. So, yes, we can have recovery. Yes, we can actually start creating new all time highs, but that doesn't mean anything crazy is going to happen or should happen, right? So other news I want to show you is that pretty much Jerome, right? He said banks are perfectly able to serve crypto customers. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is very, very bullish just in general. This is why I say don't look at the micro level, look at the bigger picture, right? Okay, yes, we're dumping. The last few weeks have been scary. But when you look at the big picture, guys, we are going to be flying to the damn moon. I don't care what anyone says. I don't care what anyone says. We are flying to the damn moon. And you know what? If I'm proven wrong, then well, it sucks for literally all of us, right? But yeah, There's no reason. The data, the evidence shows, bullish, right? Obviously, altcoins will need to, do its thing, but I believe they will over the next coming months. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great and lovely day. Goodbye.
Shout out to the trading sniper for that analysis. So the pump is going, guys. Just be patient and continue to diamond hand. The turbo turn up is near, guys. Let me just check this price real quick. So we are pushing up to 367 million. Let me see. It says 390, so we might flip cat in a dog's world. So that'll push us back to the top 20. And actually, we might hit 400 million today. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. And this is Ro from this morning. Let's see what Ro had to say.
Even 3 other meme coins. I upload at least 3 videos every single day, guys, and I've been doing so for the past 10 months. The markets are having a little bit of a reversal. We're seeing some of these meme coins start to pump again. We're seeing some green in the markets after a really long time. Again, it's nothing like where we've come down from, but again, it is a start. If you guys are new, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my uploads. I cover turbo, like I was saying, again, every single day. Make sure you guys grab your water. Let's stay hydrated and let's hop into today's video. Now, turbo in the last 24 hours up 8.33%. Can we just get a round of applause? Because this is good. This is amazing. What do I feel like by the end of this video? By the time we're recording, it's going to be down 20%. No, I'm just joking. Guys, in the last 7 days, obviously you guys know the markets have been really rough. Down 10.29%. In the last month, down 41%. Still up for the year though, up 1,373%, which is basically like a 13-14x. Now it is sitting at a very, 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 very low demand, very low but very strong demand area. Again, listed on literally every single exchange that you could think of. Robinhood wallet was accumulating some turbo yesterday. They're in the top 100 right now. Obviously, if it was the actual exchange themselves, they would have probably been in the top 20 by now. Now, I did want to read out this article here. Turbo, an AI-generated meme coin with big dreams. Now, you guys already know the birth of Turbo, how it came to be with GPT-4 and a bunch of $69. I mean, the fact that we were along for the entire ride, guys, you can see the real strength of the Turbo lies in the community. The more people who use it, the more valuable it becomes. Turbo is a digital representation of a collective creativity. When users come together, they create something bigger than any one individual could have done alone. You can see, guys, just the name itself was all selected from X, right? Imagine the meme coin that we're covering today was called Hype Hound or Astro Corgi or FOMO Feline. Turbo Toad won the poll. I asked if Turbo Toad had a name and what to describe in Midjourney or Stable Diffusion AI. Quantum Leap. Now again, guys, I'm so glad that we stuck with Turbo Toad. You guys already know the price of it has gone down from when this was written, but the pros of it: AI-powered origins, which is amazing. Community-driven decisions create a sense of ownership. No transaction fees. Open source mascot NFT collection ad creativity. Potential for AI and digital art integration. Cons: we do not have a formal roadmap. We don't need a formal roadmap, to be completely honest. This is a community-driven meme coin. No clear team in charge. That's correct, guys. Again, the team besides Red Mankind is not doxed. The meme coin market is competitive, but Turbo has, I feel like, as of right now, even though the market is competitive, it solidified itself as a risk-averse, well, it used to be a risk-averse play, except the market has dumped recently. What's next for Turbo? The future of Turbo is still unfolding. There is openness to partnerships like the one with Minti. Shows a room for growth. There is talk about using Turbo for AI services and digital art, which could push the project forward. As for price predictions, some experts believe Turbo could reach 2 cents by 2025, while others are more optimistic, suggesting a 21 cent. But remember, in the world of crypto, why did I say it like crypto? Anything could happen. Again, guys, 10 to 20 cents, definitely very possible. But also, I feel like 3 pennies is kind of that's a low ball for Turbo. I feel like 5 is a low end high, maybe. But 10 to 20 cents is definitely doable. I've been very transparent about where I'm taking profits with you guys all the time. If you want to know exactly what I'm buying, exactly what I'm selling, because I'm going to post a update when I sell Turbo as well. Make sure you check out the Memecoin Master. You get access to my private buy and sell alerts, exclusive content, private live streams, and everything in between, guys, and a community of people who all are after financial freedom. We're all after that. We're not after money, guys. We're after after our time. We want time, location, mental, and financial freedom to be able to do what we want whenever we want, whether that's pick up your bags and just go to the other side of the world, or go to the other side of your country just because you feel like it. That's what we are after, guys. And the availability to be able to retire our parents, just set up a good life for our kids and everything like that. That is what we are after. And that is something that crypto, I feel like, is the vehicle that could get us there. Now, bouncing off this demand area, you guys know this demand area, very, very low. 205. Hopefully, guys, we do not see more breakouts towards the downside. What I want to see is a break above this 206, a retracement of it, and then continuation, because that would just solidify us as being back in the altcoin season. The crazy part is, guys, Bitcoin is still holding above $105,000, which is insane. Like, Bitcoin is at this price, and we're seeing meme coins more or less kind of not pumping as much as we'd like. Again, it's not the end of the world. The bull market top, I'm still bullish on a Q4, Q3 top. So again, it is still in terms, but a lot of big YouTubers, guys, a lot of the YouTubers that I used to be watching in 2020, 2021 have flipped bearish. Now, again, take that as you guys want. It could be concerning, but to me, I like to think of it, okay, the entire narrative of crypto right now, people are feeling bearish. This gets me a little bit excited, because I know when one narrative shifts, the other usually comes true. Or how it works is, you always want to go against the narrative. If everyone is overly bullish, screaming for a 300,000 Bitcoin, it might be time to sell your bags. In the other hand, if people are saying, dude, it's over, the bull run might not happen, or altcoin season may not happen, that is when I get a little bit bullish and I start getting greedy and I start buying. If you guys haven't been accumulating Turbo at lower levels, this might be an amazing buying opportunity. Obviously, not financial advice. The X account, obviously, guys, go drop them a follow over on X. The pumps on the Turbo chart look pretty similar to me. So the next parabolic pump should be around the corner. NFA, where do you see Turbo going on the next pump? Hopefully back to that penny mark. Turbo will fly soon from the support area. Again, this is a very, very strong support area that you guys definitely should be accumulating. Obviously, not financial advice. I'm only here to entertain you guys. But again, guys, if you are being shaken out of the markets right now, that is exactly what they want you to do. Turbo is still a solid play for me. Again, I get it. We are losing a lot of hype. We're losing a lot of momentum around it. But literally every meme coin right now is being squeezed, guys. Every meme coin, guys, they're being rinsed. And a lot of them are just dropping like flies. And at the end of the day, guys, if the altcoin season isn't exactly when we thought it was going to come, it's still okay, because the bull run, I believe, in my humble opinion, is still not over yet. I am very bullish on a Q4, Q3 bull market top. And because of that, meme coins, in my opinion, still have a long way to actually pump. If you guys enjoyed this video, one thing I have to say is, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Everything I talk about, I could obviously be wrong, but I hope I am not. With that being said, though, thank you for watching. Thank you for this.
What's going on, Pip? Welcome back. And that was Ro talking about Turbo and the possible push up. So it's definitely coming. And as you said, right, people are in this to create generational wealth, or just to have a good investment. So now is the time to buy the dip, right? Buy it while it's down. As you can see, you might have missed your opportunity, because it seems to be finally coming back up, still at 391. Hopefully we'll flip cat in a dog's world today. Let's check the 4-hour chart, is looking kind of bullish. Go back to the 15-minute chart, still under that next resistance point at 00. Let's see, what is this? 0067. but we're above the 0056. So hopefully we can push back up to the next resistance point and keep running. Let me know what you guys think. You think we're going to rally this weekend and start to push up? This is being bags and more. I'm tripping. Bags only. So the question is Turbo or Toshi? Which meme coin is a better investment right now? And I'm already going to say Turbo, but let's see what he has to say.
Video, I wanted to talk about Turbo token versus Toshi. Obviously, two cryptos that are heavily involved as far as just meme coin communities, multipliers, things like that. When we talk about the bullish outlook for the market, the crypto market in the meme coin space, both major players, I think if you're into cryptocurrency and you're into meme coins, you are very familiar with both of these coins. $376 million market cap currently for Turbo token. We look at Toshi. It is sitting at a 494. So both these cryptos currently at the time of this video, sub 500 million market caps. When you talk about money flowing into the market, money flowing into meme coins, altcoins, sub 500 million market cap cryptos and meme coins obviously have the best multipliers or best potential for multipliers, in my opinion. But at the end of the video, I'm going to talk about just kind of which full transparency holder of both these coins. I have positions in both. But as far as just like which one I prefer over the other, as far as long term, or as far as to see the most multipliers in this, bull market this cycle, I'll mention that at the end of the video, along with some price predictions. But Toshi versus Turbo, Turbo versus Toshi. I want to keep this video as brief as possible because I've also kind of broken down each project individually in their own videos. I actually just made a video yesterday on Toshi. But yeah, let's just get into it. So Turbo, talk about Turbo first. 52,000 holders. It continues to grow. I think, you talk about holder count comparing the two, 52,000 holders for Turbo, and Toshi, I think sitting at I don't know, probably a lot more, significantly more. I know it's probably over 200,000 probably now. If this will load for me, let's see. Oh, we're not going to be able to see it. Nonetheless, I don't know why Basecamp is not opening up for me here, but I know range right now currently. But coming back to Turbo, like I said, 52,000 holders. This tweet here really speaks volumes to me as far as the overall potential for Turbo token. Again, shout out to Busted BUSXXXX on Twitter. I'll put links to these tweets in the description below. But here's a list of meme coins on Binance, on both Binance and Coinbase. Turbo currently has a $348 million market cap. Isn't this where you want to put your money? With the price of the gift to you very early, Turbo will get 25 cents to 69 cents. Be decisive and act. So meme coins both listed on Binance and Coinbase. Dogecoin, Shiba, Pepe, obviously the three major players in the meme coin space. Dog with Hat already has a 3.47 billion market cap. Bonk, Floki Inu 2.7, and then Turbo, right? Under 2 billion, but it's actually under 500 million right now currently. So when we talk about multipliers, we know where Turbo can go, right? We know about Turbo and where it could go in this market. 5 billion market cap, 7 cents, 14x. 11 billion market cap, 16 cents, 30x. 30x at 11 billion market cap, which is pretty significant in my opinion for where Turbo could go. I mean, a 30x multiplier. I know a lot of individuals that are holding Turbo that are already up still, even though Turbo is down over the last month around 40%. A lot of people are still up on their investment. I think the first video I made on Turbo was even below these levels. So it's a good sign when people are already up, probably still a 10x, a 30x multiplier, right? It's insane upside for me. Turbo, Coinbase, and Binance listing as well, which should just speak volumes to the overall utility and kind of the community behind it. Toshi, on the other hand, not on Ethereum, or I guess technically, but it's on Base. Layer 2, Coinbase's Ethereum layer 2, 178% over the last 7 days. Over the last month, it is up 824%. So it's just been absolutely flying. Made a couple videos here now on Toshi. Obviously, cryptos on Base, meme coins on Base, to me, in my opinion, at least, have just massive upside in this market. We see here Toshi. These are the top Base meme coins by market cap. Brett is number 1, but I mean, Toshi is on its way, in my opinion, to be the number 1 Base meme coin right now. I mean, 490 million market cap. Brett is down significantly. Toshi is on the way up. Toshi got Coinbase listing. There's a lot of talks that Coinbase is going to kind of make this their meme coin. I guess it'll probably never be official. But like unofficially, this is going to be Base's meme coin. It's named after Brian Armstrong's cat, etc., etc. This tweet here, though, speaks volumes. Toshi still doing the highest volume on Coinbase among memes every day. This has been happening since 4 to 5 days straight. Toshi's Reddit community is growing rapid rate as well. And here's the highest volume on Coinbase based on meme coins. I guess Sui is actually considered. I don't even know if Sui a meme coin. I don't even think these are meme coins. I think this is just all coins. Yeah, this is all coins. It's not just amongst memes, but obviously amongst memes, it has, you know, comparable highest trading volume, 88 billion or 88 million, as you can see here, and it's going to continue to grow. So that speaks volumes as well. But coming back to it, like we talk about Toshi and the multipliers, right? Toshi at Pepe's current market cap is 5.3 billion to 10x, and Pepe's all-time high is to 21x. So when you talk about both Toshi and Turbo hitting a 11 billion market cap, it's a 21x for Toshi and a 30x for Turbo, right? So right off the bat, you see the multipliers there. There's higher upside for Turbo to reach the 30x multiplier than it is for Toshi. Now, I do think both projects can easily reach 11 billion market cap in this cycle. I think there's no reason for them not to. If, you know, we do see the cycle that everyone is expecting, I think Trump, you know, doing things in the crypto space is only going to expedite that. But yeah, in my opinion, I would probably, if I had $1,000 today to invest in a meme coin, it would be Turbo. At these prices, I think is a discount. But at the same time, too, Toshi, I think, has somewhat of a little bit higher floor, given that it is on Base, and I do really, really believe in and very bullish on Base as a chain, and meme coins sitting on top of Base even more so. So let me know in the comments what you feel about Turbo and Toshi. I love both projects, holding both projects. Please drop a like on this video, hit the subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.
So let me know what you think. Toshi versus Turbo. I'm rolling with Turbo token. But let me know in the comments either way what you think is going to take over. And there's a new message from on Twitter. Let's go to Twitter real quick. Don't forget to sign up for the Black Tiger Miner Twitter page. So let's see here. I don't even know what this guy's name is. It's Turbo Time. We're pumping. I should have used this as a thumbnail, but I'll probably put that in tomorrow. This is the Screaming Toad, 8th most mentioned in the last 24 hours. Pump a ramp up the Toad. Some work to be done. So yeah, definitely squeeze the Toad, load the Toad. Let's run it back, guys. Start pushing the word. This is yes, Mr. The card is set. You don't know. You shouldn't miss that. When can I eat again? And using that Turbo Toad master charge. And this is Turbo Toads in the market for Turbo Toad. Be sure to check out the hood for Trent's Toad NFTs. And I was on that Trent's Toad AMA. It's actually a pretty cool project. So if you get a chance, check them out. This sold for 0.2 Ethereum, $64. So it might be a good time to start investing in these Turbo Toad NFTs. I was actually thinking about getting some of those. And this is Screaming Toad about the article with the MSN article. So shout out to the Screaming Toad. But have a good Thursday, which is Friday Eve, and hopefully we're going to continue to push up. I won't hold you too long. Probably going to do another live pretty soon. Just want to check the Toad real quick. Still 391. But thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit up with a super chat. But it's your main man BTM signing out. And remember, Let's get back to the money. And as always, stay dangerous. Miner out.